you.
Welcome to our annual Total Joint Ski Day. It's a celebration for you. Thank you so much for letting us be a part of your journey. We are so excited to be here.
Once again, here we are. This never gets old for me. Seeing our patients out there enjoying what they want to do, skiing, snowboarding, their brand new knees and hips.
I want to give a big shout out to Dr. Kim.
It never gets old. It's so fun for us to see them having fun on the mountain and getting back to doing what they want to do.
Second ski day, but I've been working hard at the rehab and it's going well and feeling good.
There's a lot of metal in these bodies.
That's right.
Both knees, a year and a half ago. I'm feeling better, and I'm still getting better. That's the thing. So I was on the mountain 7 months after. And next season, I'll be on my snowboard.
Got your own mountain host to go with the group today, even though I had both knees done, 4 years and 2 years. So he did a great job.
After I got my new knees, I started having 100-day seasons. So this is my third 100-day season.
Proud of you.
So thank you, Dr. Kim.
Dr. Kim gave me 2 hips. He saved our lives, and we're very grateful. Thank you.
So thank you all for trusting us with your care.
Cheers.